The third special case is the use of change of base formula rule to swap the base with the argument of a logarithm. Suppose you're given log of a base b. On swapping the argument with the base, this should equal to 1 divided by log of b base a. Indeed, given log of a base b, if we want to swap the base with the argument, we should introduce a new base, and this base should be equal or the same as the argument. And in this instance, we should introduce a new base of a. So we will have log of a base a divided by a log of b base a. And from identity, log of a base a should equal to 1. So we'll have 1 divided by log of b base a. Thus swapping the base with the argument. For example, if we have log of 2 base 16, in accordance with the third special case, we should introduce a new base, and it should be a base of 2. So we will have log of 2 base 2 divided by log of 16 base 2. And from identity, log of 2 base 2 equals to 1 divided by 16 is the same as 2 to power 4. This implies that we have log of 2 to power 4 base 2. And this will equal to 1 divided by, from power rule, 4 becomes the coefficient of the denominator. So we will have 4 log of 2 base 2. And from identity rule, log of 2 base 2 equals to 1. So we will have 1 out of 4. Therefore, log of 2 base 16 equals to a quarter.